lovelies, you're so welcome to Cassia Naturals, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make clove oil and hairspray for massive hair growth and to promote, thinning hair, or if you're suffering from androgenic alopecia, hair thinning. These products are going to work well for your hair. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and give this video a like. So we are going to use some clove powder. So I did a video on how you can make clove powder. I'll link it in the description box below. So clove contains a variety of useful compounds, but its main active ingredient is a chemical known as eugenol. So eugenol is credited which is with potent, antimicrobial, antiseptic, and inflammatory properties. Moreover, cloves are rich in a number of nutrients for hair growth, including potassium, sodium, omega, fatty acids, iron, manganese, vitamin K, C, iodine, and inhibits the film over oxidants that help protect your natural hair. So we are going also to use our grapeseed oil. So you can use any oil that you have, but I prefer to use a grapeseed oil. It's a lighter oil. It promotes hair growth, and it doesn't clog your pores. So it's on the lighter side. So you can use any oil like which you have, which is available to you. Don't stress about it. Yes. So we are going to measure half a cup of clove, and then we're going to mix it in our oil, and then we're going to use a water bath to make a clove oil. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Give this video a like and comment in that section below. So grapeseed oil is a lighter oil. Like I said, it contains high amounts of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Most importantly, doesn't clog your pores and can even be used as on sensitive scalp. Even for the skin, it moisturizes dry hair, leaving your hair hydrated and growing. So clove will stimulate hair growth, and it also acts as a natural remedy to promote hair growth, and it contains a lot of vitamins and minerals that promote hair growth. So give it a stir once you mix your two products so that they're well distributed and well combined. And then we are going to use a water bath, like I said. So I'm going to put some water, sizable amount of water. But of course, I'm transferring my oil into not a beaker, of course, but a pot. And then I'm getting some medium water. Actually, I used 200 mils of water. So we are going to use a water bath, and then we're going to put it on low setting, like so. And then we'll let it sit on the heat for at least an hour. That is very important so that it infuses very well. So it's been 1 hour and our oil is so infused, as you can see. So now it's time to strain our oil. So subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and comment in the section below. So clove is also good for an itchy scalp, which is accompanied by itchiness and dryness. So this may cause for dandruff. So build up in the scalp, including dry skin, fungal infection, excess oil production. Clove contains properties that can help get rid of dandruff in a short time. Clove will also prevent premature graying of hair. Clove oil can prevent this condition due to its high eugenol content. So the antioxidants properties that can protect your hair shaft and follicles from oxidation damage. It also increases, pigment levels that shows hair its natural hue. So clove will also curb hair loss. So that is how it looks like. We are ready now to transfer it in our bottle. Subscribe to our channel, friends, and comment in the section below. So of course, the videos of a clove have been trending, friends. It has a lot of benefits. So I did a research before, I embarked on doing clove, and I'm telling you, friends, it has a lot of good results. So the second, we are going to make clove hairspray. So of course, clove can be bought in supermarkets or in a spice shop around your area. You don't have to stress about it. Just check around your area, you'll be able to find some clove even in supermarkets, hypermarkets. Yes. So subscribe to our channel, friends, and comment in the section below, friends. So like I'm going to measure 30 grams of our clove to make our clove hairspray. So comment if you have used clove hairspray or clove, for healthy benefits for hair, or clove oil. Comment in the section below. Like, I love interacting. So that's our 30 grams of our clove. So in this case, like I've made quite a number of clove hairspray with different methods. So for this method, we are going to use hot water. So when I say hot water, friends, it's 100% hot water. So we are going to pour in 100 grams of our water. You can use tap water or distilled water, whatever your preference is. And then we are going to let it simmer for at least 25 minutes. Make sure that you let it simmer for 25 minutes. So as you can see, it has started infusing. The color has started changing, friends. Have you seen? Look at that. So it's been 20 minutes, and that is how it has infused. It looks nice, like all the nutrients have been absorbed into the water, and it's ready to be used. So now at this point, we are going to strain it in a spray bottle. So like a spray bottle is very convenient, like when it comes to hairsprays, because it sprays very well and liberally throughout your hair strands. So clove will also keep hair loss. So environmental, pollutants, genetics, poor diet, and hair contains harsh chemicals all contribute to hair loss. So clove will prevent excessive hair loss by strengthening your hair shafts and promoting growth of hair. And it will also prevent the hair from oxidation damage. So clove contains eugenol, like I mentioned earlier on, which promotes hair growth when applied to the scalp. This compound contains antimicrobial and inflammatory properties that can be beneficial for the scalp. So eugenol also contains certain androgenic properties. This can slow down the effects of androgens on your hair follicles, boosting hair growth. In people suffering from androgenic alopecia or male pattern baldness. So if you've been long on this channel, like I'm in a challenge of twist protective hairstyle. I've been doing twists since January, friends. So it's been 6 months. And of course, I'm going to share the results in July, because July is our last month. So I've been rocking the twist in for it's been two weeks and a few days. Yes, so of course there are some residues from gel. So I did try to use a spray, like it didn't spray. I did transfer it in another spray, it didn't. So I opted to just, pour it in my palms and then rub it through our hair strands. Yes, but of course, one day I'm going to share how you can make your hairspray work if it doesn't work. So I'll pour in my palms and then just rub it through our hair strands. So like clove is a natural condition, and it helps to lock in the moisture in the hair, so it can be used as an effective treatment for down dry hair. So clove oil will also reduce split ends and frizz, giving the hair like look lustrous. And it will also treat dandruff, like we mentioned earlier on. So dandruff is a mild skin condition, causes flakiness on the scalp. It's an extremely common condition. So like friends, I always do everything in sections, and I've been doing all I can like to grow my hair, and prayer has been one of my priority, because you know what, the word of God tells us that our hair is the crown of a woman. Yes, so I always pray. Comment in the section below, friends, if you pray for your natural hair. But of course, friends, as you can see, like our hair is shrunken because I've been moisturizing my hair in between washes, like twice per week, because you want, in as much as you want length retention, you have to make sure that you prevent damage or dry hair. Let me just show you how our twist looks like when we just did them. So that is how they look like, friends. So I always, moisturize my hair twice per week or once per week, depending on my preference. Your hair will always talk to you. Yes, so like clove oil and hairspray, these are powerful ingredients you can use to grow back your natural hair, friends. So if you're struggling with growing back your natural hair, try clove oil and clove hairspray, friends. Like clove oil and clove hairspray, like clove has been trending recently. Like everyone has been using clove, oil, clove hairspray. Yes. So subscribe to our channel, friends, and comment in the section below, friends. Like my goal is to grow this channel to 500 subscribers. So to my 414 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. Virtual hugs to you, friends, for your support. So if you're watching my video and you haven't yet subscribed, subscribe to my channel and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that every time we upload, you will be notified. So clove is one of the remedies that are available in your kitchen. Actually, like clove is used as a spice. Yes, so it will help you achieve this dream without burning a hole in your pocket, friends. So clove is one of those products that are going to help you a great deal. So like, friends, my hair is so moisturized. And don't forget your edges, friends. Like our edges are very fragile. Yes, don't forget your edges. Make sure that you moisturize, you massage. Yes, so at this point, like our hair is so moisturized, friends. It's so soft. And I'm happy. Like, of course, our hair is shrinking. The moment your hair touches a moisturizer, like it will shrink, but you don't have to be worried about shrinkage. So thank you so much for watching, and best to see you in our next video.